The police are at it again. This time around, the Inspector General have vowed to arrest and prosecute skit makers and movie producers who are found with the unauthorized use of police uniforms. You'll be charged under Section 251 of the Criminal Code and in the like section of Section 133 of the Penal Code, depending on the jurisdiction where this particular offense was committed. Let's take a closer look at this section. What does it really mean in a layman's terms? It simply means persons who are not members of the forces, army, or police found using this uniform or any uniform that looks like this uniform, or even employing somebody to use this uniform in such a way as to ridicule or to bring contempt to this uniform. You will be charged for a simple offense, and if found guilty by the court of law, it is 3 months imprisonment or optional fine of 14 naira. It's small, but it is not small. There are 3 keywords in this. 1, you're not a member of the forces. 2, you employ somebody to use it or you used it yourself in such a way, 3, as to bring contempt to that uniform. It is not in your position to define what is contempt, once you are arrested. Even though we know contempt simply means ridicule, disrespect, or dishonor. It is left for the police to prosecute you before the court of law, and you are supposed to prove your innocence before the court. The court will determine, actually, if you use this uniform in such a way as to bring ridicule or contempt to it. I'm sure you wouldn't want this situation. Now, to avoid this occurrence, there's something you must do before you use their uniform. You should apply to the police for access or permit to use this uniform. So that this application, once granted, becomes a permit for you to use it. It becomes a defense for you in future once they arrest you subsequently for using their uniform. You must understand that no matter how little a punishment for a crime is, or no matter how little a crime is before you, once you are convicted before the court, you become an ex-convict. That is the truth. As a skit maker, you have endorsements from various companies. Once they hear the word that you did crime and you're being prosecuted for it, some of them may even sack you, even though you have not even been convicted. Not to talk of when you're actually convicted. So even though it's 3 months or optional fine of 14 naira, if you pay it or you do the jail term, whichever case you choose, it will still not remove the word ex-convict that has already been given to your name once you're convicted by the court of law. If you found this information useful, please do not forget to like, follow, and share. And in the comment section, please ensure you tag at least one skit maker. Thank you.